Australian Paramedical College currently partners with us at our North Lake training facility in Perth and uses that to do its practical workshops. So their students and learners are able to get exposed to more of an industrial setting as opposed to a classroom setting. Learners at AP College can see the types of emergency response and training that Fire and Safety Australia does, and vice versa. Look, the industry is definitely growing, but there is more of a push towards diversified skill sets. We're seeing more and more of people who have got paramedic skill sets, cross-skilling in emergency response and rescue, or people with emergency response and rescue skill sets, cross-skilling into healthcare and those types of courses. And I think part of the reason for that is not everyone has a bottomless pool of money which they can spend on site. So they're looking to make sure that they've got staff who have a good cross-section of different types of skill sets can be used. Australian Paramedical College graduates have the ability to get discounted training with FSA, so they get a 10% discount off our emergency response and rescue training courses. And we're doing that to help cross-skilling of medical and emergency services personnel, but also for potential future employees of FSA as well. We're a growing business that continually recruiting. I've been in this industry for 20 years, yet there is always something more to learn around emergency services. There is always someone with more experience. There's always another course. So you want people who are self-starters who will go and not just get an initial competency, but actually really look towards mastery, which is continuing to learn, continuing to develop, and really ultimately being a professional at what they do. There are always jobs available, but my advice is be willing to go somewhere different as opposed to your home location. Take the opportunities which are out there as opposed to the one that's always close to home. It also gives you a diversified skill set, but also that's where you get some of your best experiences as well.